today we're gonna be carving this ginormous pumpkin. We're gonna be doing it on this side. Like this is where all the carving is gonna be. On this side, I don't even think we're gonna do anything. And maybe like some cute cheeks and some makeup and stuff. It's gonna be really cute. So make sure you watch until the end so you can see our beautiful pumpkin at the end. Guys, make sure you ask an adult to help you with this. It was even hard for my mom. So now let's open it. Okay, now let's get all the gooey stuff out. Guys, let's use a tool because it's gonna be much easier. That's done and that's done. You can put this away. So I think I'm gonna do like square, no, triangle eyes. Okay. This is how it looks. Now ask an adult for help to cut this for me because it's really hard. Okay, so the pumpkin is all carved. This will look like. So now I'm gonna get the eyeball out. That was really easy to cut the eyeball. Whoa, that was really easy to do the nose. Now I'm gonna do the mouth, the tricky part. Do 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 do. 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 Our creepy pumpkin is ready. Now I'm gonna do the top. Oh, so heavy. Just gonna fit it how it works. Okay, so now we're gonna light a candle inside it. Okay, so this is what the pumpkin looks like with the candle, and we have our beautiful base. Now we're gonna put the top back on. So this is the pumpkin. Now we're gonna turn the lights off to see what it looks like in the dark. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our spooky jack-o'-lantern is off the way, down creeping in the way. And if you look in, it smells really bad actually. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.